Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. First of all, I would like to say thank you very much for watching this video. If you like the content of the channel, please subscribe and thumb ups. That will help me to create new content. And if you have any comments, put it in the comments below. Hi, welcome back. Today, I would like to get on with explaining new concepts about window function. Let's have a look what we have learned so far. We have learned what a window function is, what window aggregation functions are, such as sum, max, min, and we have also learned what our ranking functions are, such as row number, rank, tenth rank, and entile. Today, we are going to learn what window offset functions are. Let's jump on it. Let's have a look what window offset functions are. The definition of window function is the following. Window offset function returns an element from a single row that is given offset from the current row in the window partition, or from the first or last row in the window frame. We have two types, lead and lag, first value and last value. The lag and lead functions rely on an offset with respect to the current row, and the first value and last value functions operate on the first or last row in the frame, respectively. The lag and lead functions support window partition and ordering clauses. They don't support, unfortunately, frame clause. The lag function returns an element from the row in the current partition that is requested for a number of rows before the current row, based on window ordering, with one we assume as default offset. The lead function returns an element from the row that is requested offset after the current row. Let's have a look into Management Studio and let's see how this function works. We go for it. Okay. In here we have the same structure as we saw in previous videos. Basically, we are aggregating orders, total orders based on line orders. We are using star schema, joining fact internal sales with the corresponding dim customer. So the function previous value follows the same structure as previous windowing functions. So we have the over clause, the partition by, and the order by. In this case, order by is mandatory as well. So for example, in here we have the sales of Aaron Wright. If we go to the first order, previous value we don't have, previous order, and the next value will be this one, 2,372. For this order, the previous value is 3,578, and the next value will be 2,419. So basically, this function follows the same structure as previous one. These functions are called offset because we can change this default value. This default value is 1. We can add 2. So in this case, we add 2. The first order, we don't have 2 previous value, therefore it's null. The next value, the next 2 values will be 1 and 2, so it's right. It's 2,419. For this order, we don't have 2 previous values, and the 2 following values, the next values, is 2,443. So yeah, this behavior is quite straightforward. These functions are important because we can create differences. So if I would like to compare the current order, how is the increase in terms of ordering, we can create something like this, like calculate diff equals to the current order amount minus, we need to remember these functions are scalar functions, so it returns numbers. So in this case, the difference 3,588 minus null is null, 2,372 minus null is null. However, 2,419 minus 3,578 is 1,159. So for calculate differences is really nice. In the same way, we can calculate percentage. Let's calculate one of them. If is, for example, the increase of the order equals to order amount minus divided by the current amount. For example, order let's put a bracket. Here we go. And we have the different percentage of the increase. In this case, is almost 40%. Put it here, another bracket. Or yeah, that's a percentage. We can leave it like this, 100%. The previous amount. So comparing with the previous one is 100% almost. Okay, so I think for this lit and lag function, everything is done. Lastly, let's have a look into window win function first value and last value. First value follow the same schema as other window win function. First value, the parameter, and the parameter in this case is order amount. So we are going to calculate the first value of the order amount over the partition by customer name. This customer name and order amount will be order by, order date, and order number. In the same way, we are going to use last value over the partition by customer name, order by, order date, and order number. And here we have the result. the result is we have Aaron Adams. The first value is the same as the last value. If we filter by Aaron Wright, we can see the first order amount is 3,578 and the last amount is 2,443. We can change the partitioning. Let's have a look into this one. I'm going to partition by thing. The first value over the first value must have over close. Okay. First value must have over. Okay. We are running. The first value of this partitioning is 3,568. If we remove the customer name, we're going to get the first value of the partition. Okay, order number, let's modify it. Here we go. The first order is customer name is Ruben Prasad. The order number is SO 43700 and the order amount is 699. So depending on the partition, we can obtain different results, obviously. This is just only a quick reminder. First value and last value can support framing like this. If I run the query, we can have the different framings. I have given an overview of Windows function so far. In the next video, we will see how to use them in advanced calculation. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.